All right, here we have giblet gravy going. I need to put a little bit of the juices from this turkey for the flavor in there. Maybe half a cup or so. I can get them here. There we go. And I've got it getting ready to boil. You can use flour before you start your juice. You can put a little butter in there and a half a cup of flour for this recipe. But for my gluten-free folks, I'm just going to thicken it with some cornstarch. And I'm going to put in some cold water. A 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Use half as much cornstarch as you do flour when you're thickening liquids. Just pour that in and stir it till it's thick. Then you always want to give it a final taste to make sure it's salty enough and seasoned enough. Then it's ready to go over your dressing or your mashed potatoes. I also need to show you that I took out the neck and I cut up the liver and gizzard and heart, just chopped them up. You can chop them finer if you prefer. Some people might even leave them out if they don't want them in there, but we like them in there. And they're so nutritious for you. Once that's thick, you just turn it off and it's ready to use. If you want to make it the day ahead, I usually make it the day ahead and then I'll just warm it back up when it's time to serve. That saves you one job you have to do the day of Thanksgiving. And we hope you and your family have a wonderful and blessed Thanksgiving. Enjoy your turkey, enjoy your chicken, enjoy your roast, whatever you decide to make that day. We hope your day is wonderful and blessed with family and friends. See you later.